Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can assign keystrokes to the new plugin commands that are added when you download and enable a plugin. In older versions of Eclipse, before the plugins were added, you could assign keystrokes by going to the keyboard macro command under the Edit tab in User Settings. Here you could select a command, hit Edit, and assign a speed key. However, this is only available for all of the old keyboard macros, and you will not be able to find the new plugin commands in this list. And so in order to add a keystroke command to one of the plugin commands that you've added, you'll instead go to the keyboard button. Once you click keyboard, you can click Add, and then select the command from the list. For items that appear in the drop-down list, just find them in the appropriate section. And so here we see that I have my view bookmarks, add bookmark, and add and view bookmark command. And so I could select add bookmark and then choose whether I want a standard or hyperkey option. So I'm going to select hyperkey, and I'll choose a hyperkey to associate with my add bookmark command. It will let me know if the key that I've selected is already associated with a command, and if I want to replace it, I can just hit yes, or I can hit no to choose another keystroke. Now, if I choose hyperkeys, I see that B is associated with add bookmark. You can also click add and simply scroll down to the bottom of the list where all of the Python commands are listed individually. And if necessary, you can select one here. And don't forget that we always recommend using the Python plugin version of a command rather than the old style keyboard command. If you have older user settings, you may have access to both. So make sure that you're choosing the right command whenever you assign a keystroke. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.